Hey everybody, it's Justin Trudeau. Taken other drugs. I have been in my past a user of marijuana. I think 5 or 6 times in my life that I've taken a puff. It's nothing. I think I'm in more trouble for having admitted that I don't drink coffee. That's a lot of smoking that I did. It's a lot of times I've smoked marijuana. I've done it with people I know and trust and who are friends. That's it was I can't remember.
He's a doper. He's a groper. He's a soy boy cuck lord. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the Justin Cringe YouTube channel. Please remember and never forget, Justin Trudeau is a person who likes to molest.